Welcome to Excel training classes, and here we are going to see all the Excel functions. And like I'm just providing you the Excel function name and along with the description of that Excel function, what it does. So here, if you see category wise, I'm splitting. As of now, I just kept only two criterias like adding and automation related Excel functions and compatibility functions. So coming moving forward, you will see all the Excel functions within this page, and you will see all the descriptions of the page. You may get a doubt where the syntax of the functions. So I'm going to prepare each and every function which is very useful. Those functions I'll concentrate first, and I'll prepare the each and every function will have one page over here, and you will see the links for the respective functions. Thank you very much for watching.